Hello, welcome to our channel again, SME Academy Asia. Today I'm going to show you a simple trick or simple method on how, if you have a YouTube channel and you have a playlist and you're not happy with the playlist and you want to now delete the playlist. I'll show you how to do it. If you're on this channel, you've probably searched up and down and you may have not found a solution for it, but once I show you the solution, I guarantee you that you'll kick yourself in the butt, right? If that is even possible. So it's actually a simple way of doing it, and let me just show you on one of the channels, right, that we just created. This is a YouTube, right? So what you need to do is go right here on the top right, your profile. There are two ways of doing it. I'll show you the first way. First, right, go to YouTube Studios. And on YouTube Studios, you'll find the playlist. Okay. Once you're at the playlist, right, this is your playlist page. Just choose whichever playlist you're not happy about. Right, for example, if you're not happy about this playlist, just click on this pencil icon, click on edit in YouTube. Right, this is where you will kick yourself. Right, it's right there in your face, but you probably missed it 100 times like I did. Right, I think YouTube need to do something to get this sorted out. So here's the magic. See these three dots down here? Right. Nothing happens when you hover over them, but you need to click, and voila, you see delete playlist. Right. So all you have to do is click on delete playlist and confirm that you want to delete it. Right. As simple as that. And yeah, you want to kick yourself right now, right? Yeah, so the next method is, let's say you go back to your channel here, right, you're going back to your channel again, and method number two would be for you to go on the left panel, click on view more, and here are all your playlists, right? And this is an easier method, I feel, because it's very straightforward. From here you jump into here, and you click on the playlist that you want to delete. Just click on it. It'll open up to the page. Again, there's three dreaded dots. Damn you, dots. Right? Click on it. Delete playlist. And you've got them. Just click on delete and you're all set to go. Right? So I hope that gave you a small insights on how you can delete your playlist. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel to help support our channel, our growth of the channel. Let a lot more people know about this channel. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comments and we will try to help you as much as we can. Right? So until the next time, see you again. Bye bye.